Welcome to FlowGuard Plus app. FlowGuard Plus, a leader in CPVC plumbing since the 1960s, is known worldwide for its CPVC plumbing systems used in homes and offices. In this video, we will take you through the various aspects of the FlowGuard Plus app and show you how you can enhance your plumbing skills as well as win tons of rewards with the special attractions listed below. Gyan Kendra, FlowGuard Adda, games and more. Enhance your plumbing skills, play games and win exciting rewards. Shall we start? Firstly, download the FlowGuard Plus app from Google Play Store and install it on your phone. After downloading the app, follow these steps or instructions to register. Enter your mobile number. You will receive a verification code, that is, one-time password or OTP, on your mobile number. Enter the code and proceed to the next step. Now, when you have installed the app, select your preferred language. After choosing your language, you can register with your details on FlowGuard Plus app. Fill your profile details carefully, as you will get marks only on the basis of a completely filled form. Now enter your location details like the city you're working in and complete your registration by entering the postcode. Click on Terms and Conditions checkbox before proceeding and then click on Save to complete the registration. Now that you have completed your profile, you can start experiencing the app's plethora of exciting features. With the FlowGuard Plus CPVC app, you can enhance your plumbing skills, learn new things, and connect with other plumbers. With this, you can improve your skills. You earn reward points when you watch videos, get new certificates, and invite friends. With these points, you can win tons of prizes like cashback, membership, gift vouchers, etc. The My Dashboard is a very important section, which will show you a summary of all your activities and the points you have earned. You can also see the friends you have referred to this app as well as the modules you have completed. For more information about FlowGuard Plus CPVC, click on the FlowGuard Plus link on the menu and you will find more information about the brand. You will understand the benefits of FlowGuard Plus CPVC and learn why it's the world's #1 CPVC plumbing system. To navigate in the app, simply click on the menu button in the lower right corner of the screen. The menu drop-down will show you the different parts of the app. You can go to that part by clicking on any link. When you click on the Gyan Kendra section on the menu, you will go to the section where you can learn new plumbing tips. It is very important to learn new things and stay updated so that you can grow your business and earn more. When you click on the My Training section on the menu, you can go to the section containing the various training modules. These training modules are specially designed for you. Select the training module and watch the video. Upon completing the module, you will get a certificate, which you can print and keep with you, or share with your friends on social media and on WhatsApp. If you want to improve your networking skills, then don't miss to visit FlowGuard Plus Adda. Don't forget to visit the game section of the app if you want to have some fun. Play your favorite cricket game or solve a fun puzzle. Remember, you get points for playing game, so keep playing them regularly. Also, if you are the top scorer, you will also be placed in the leaderboard section. So learn while playing some exciting games and win prizes. In the FlowGuard Adda section, you will find Fun Engagement Forum, opportunity to connect with other plumbers, Best Plumber of the Month, networking tips, chance to learn new things, opportunity to share your skills with others, daily puzzles, daily tips, chance to win points by telling your friends about the app, Every time you use the FlowGuard app to refer a friend, to watch videos, play games or download the app, you will earn reward points. You can check these points by going to the My Rewards section of the app. When you earn enough points, you can win many things like mobile recharge talk time, electronics, essential services, etc. To earn more points, you can invite your plumber friends to be a part of the FlowGuard app. Simply click on the Share ID link to download the app and generate your referral code to share with your plumber friends. So enhance your plumbing skills, play games and win lots of rewards. Download the FlowGuard Plus app now.